Welcome to a mukbang. This is thumbnail. I stole it. Hello guys.
Welcome to my mukbang. My name is Tommy Lamb, and my co-host right here is Delata Din. And today we have crawfish from Big Easy. We got two kinds. We got the little Cajun, and we got the Easy Blend.
Big Easy blend, and we got this from Big Easy. So good, they're crawfish. All right, let's dig in. There's gonna be a whole lot of sucking and sauciness, so if you don't like it, you can not watch this video. We got the last 5 pounds today, so it was meant to be.
How is it?
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's not hot. So they must have had this like wing.
Pretty good.
But Big Easy Crawfish is one of my favorite places to eat. So if you're in the New Orleans area, give it a try. What?
I'm trying my crawfish.
Oh, and I made some cookie dough. Chocolate chip cookies. The oven's preheating right now. And I added Halloween edition dark crispy M&Ms in it. So that's gonna be good. Oh,
Open it.
the oven.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Pretty good.
The crawfish? I love the crawfish. Let's try traditional. The Big Easy blend it's consisted of the traditional, bit Cajun, and the citrus blend. So it's all 3 flavors. I usually get the bit Cajun, but Big Easy blend is pretty good too. So, oh yeah, what YouTube? You can't say anything related to, you know, what's happening.
With the world?
Yeah,
Why not?
if you want to be monetized. But since it's not a monetized video.
What's
COVID.
monetize? What that mean? What monetize mean?
Monetize means like you make money on your videos. So if you say those words,
I do make money.
okay, well if you say those words and you monetize your videos, they take it down. Well,
They
they
take
don't take it down. They demonetize it. But since this isn't a monetized video, how's everyone in quarantine? Some stores have been in the phase 1, so some stores are opening at this time. How y'all feel about that?
I'm going back to school.
Oh yeah, he's going back to school next week. So
I'm back.
there's
He's back. I'm back. Big mad. She mad.
Stay mad.
we sad.
Who said?
Not me, cause I got crawfish. We actually had crawfish yesterday, right? Was it yesterday? Or 2 days
Can't
ago?
tell people that they think we're fat.
Oh, never mind. But Yeah, we had crawfish 2 or 3 days ago.
Yesterday.
Oh, was it yesterday? I lose track of time.
All the other videos I see you watch, people just eat. And they don't show their face and they just
Oh,
smack like this.
that's ASMR. They don't do that. They don't, you know.
They'll go to the mic and go,
They eat in a polite manner.
polite manner.
Polite and clean manner. Not like us.
I am polite.
I don't eat the guts or anything.
I eat it all.
Yeah. We eat the poop.
I eat it all.
Yeah, not me. The poop sack. Here's how I peel it. Oh, I'm gonna show you how I peel it. I see some people peel it differently. Okay, so I take a crawfish. I do this one, and then I squeeze vertically, laterally, and longitudinally. I peel the first. I peel the second. So it has this tail at the end, and I pinch the end, and the little poop bee should come out. And then that's my way. I've seen some people do this. Then they peel the first, and then I guess they flip this tail, and then the poopy should come out. But I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong.
You want to see my way?
What's your way?
Snap. Grab. Pinch. Break. Boom. Pinch. Ah! Now just a piece.
Yeah, many different ways. Right now, crawfish is what, $4 a pound?
Wow. You're home.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
Oh,
When do I come home?
You want to join our vlog? Ricky?
Huh?
You gonna join our vlog?
Vlog. Y'all do mukbang? That's what's on YouTube?
yeah. I thought we were the only ones home. I was like, what's that style? Who's opening the door? Sugoi, sugoi. Sugoi desu ne. Wait, how long do you set it for, the cookies?
I didn't say anything. Let's put it in.
Dude, when did we put it in?
5 minutes ago.
Okay.
I checked.
I got my sauce on deck. Tamarind and lime. Y'all like that? Y'all like that? What was that? Oh, we got Pepsi Wild Cherry. Oh my! Yummy!
Sugoi.
Sugoi. What did the customers after you order?
I don't know how that.
Being before you, I
Mm.
guess.
Snow crab.
Oh. The snow crabs are pretty salty, actually.
You know what else is salty?
Salt. Yeah, but I think they like cook. I don't know how they cook it first, and then they freeze it.
They cook it like a stir fry. What? This?
No, the snow crab. Like, why is the meat so salty at
Because they
first?
use salt to preserve it. It's
Oh,
frozen. It's frozen.
like they put salt over it,
Yeah,
and then
it's a
they freeze it?
preservative.
Oh, so there's nay.
Since like the 1800s, darling. Baby love, you have to
Baby love.
brush up on your history.
Ooh, y'all watch 90 Day Fiance season 4. Episode 13 coming out tomorrow. Tiff tagged me in his post, but they said that I think the crew had paid Lana to get engaged or something. And then after she got engaged, she broke it off with that guy.
The old man.
Yeah, spoiler alert.
You know you watch reality TV, right?
Excuse me.
Bless you.
What? I watch reality TV. What?
It's reality TV.
For entertainment.
It's fake.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, just a little bit plot twists in there. Oh, this is soft.
What 20-year-old in her right mind is gonna go travel the world in an RV with a 65-year-old man? Tell me.
She need that shmoney. He was ready to retire for her.
You know what he would be giving her?
What? You scared? You scared? We both fell in the sink.
That one's pretty good today.
The Big Easy?
Yeah.
I mean the Easy Blend?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have the Big Cajun doesn't have the spice.
Your
No.
mama don't have the spice.
Okay. But anyways. How was quarantine for everybody? It's been 2 months, huh? Since the quarantine happened in March?
Mm-hmm.
March, April. Yeah. Crazy. Crazy.
What have you learned in 2 months of quarantine?
These boys ain't shit. I'm not here for it. Well, I mean boys, I mean not you, though.
Because I'm a man. A little man.
You heard it here, folks. Little man. You know, this quarantine was
Shambles.
I think a lot of people can learn a lot from this quarantine.
I've never seen so many push-ups in my life.
push-ups. Oh yeah, whenever they had that the push-up challenge and all those challenges on Instagram. I don't have that much friends to tag, so I didn't really do them.
That's not why you didn't do the push-ups.
And I can't do push-ups.
I think cookies are done. Here?
Yeah, I heard. But I don't want that. Can you open and see so I can see? Yummy, right? Exquisite. Thank you. Honest opinion, because I made these from scratch.
Honest opinion?
Honest.
Kind of hot. Pretty good.
Matcha umai. It's not sweet. The candy M&Ms are really good. And I use dark chocolate morsels. So, and I added more salt than usual because I didn't want it too sweet.
I don't like the dark chocolate.
What?
Dark chocolate?
You don't like it? Why not? It's bitter?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's supposed to cancel out the M&Ms because they're already sweet. Want some cookies, Ricky?
Okay, man. There's enough. I think we say bye to our fans.
Ready? Okay. Fine. We're in this mukbang early. Tell me I'll go poo-poo. Peace. Love. Live, laugh, love. Have faith.
What?
Bye-bye.